Rhino Gear 11909, ADMI Rhino Ramps, Vehicle Ramp. Portable automotive ramps, with a rugged and structural design. Core track, non-skid base helps reduce slippage. The Essential Guide to Motorcycle Maintenance. The Essential Guide to Motorcycle Maintenance, popular motorcycle journalist and author Mark Zimmerman. Type 13007 GMC Acadia, 1-row plastic aluminum replacement. OI comparable configuration and appearance. Vehicle test fitted prior to market release, ensuring perfect drop-in fit. Plastic aluminum radiators are brazed with the state-of-the-art, no-colic furnace process. The aluminum-treated coating is applied to prevent corrosion and ensure product longevity. Glisten Auto Dent Puller Kit, adjustable, golden dent remover tools. Special design, this new design dent puller kit special. Strengthen tabs, our dent remover tools recently designed 21 size. Professional glue sticks, these paintless dent repair kit equipped. Multifunction, glisten dent puller with a wide range of repair. Quality, we provide 3 years of quality for the dent repair tool. AC Delco 17781B, professional bondage rear, drum in-hat parking brake shoe set. Special design, this new design dent puller kit special. Non-directional brake surface finish for consistent braking. All shoes are machined for correct shoe-to-drum contact. Highest shear strength for the best bond integrity. AC Delco 14D1194CH Advantage ceramic rear disc brake pad set with hardware. Brand, AC Delco, material, ceramic, position, rear. Ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic formulas provide safety.